If you've been looking for a way to automatically kick users who don't receive the verified role within a certain time frame, AuthGG now allows you to do so. The kicked user will then receive a direct message from the bot explaining why they were kicked off the server. So, configuring this auto kick feature is simple. All you need to do first is configure the verification system on your server. If you don't know how to do that, we have tutorials for that on our YouTube channel. You need to then enter the command/config autokick, and as you type, you have to choose Enable, and then set the time within which users should be kicked off. You can currently choose between 2, 5, 10, or 15 minutes. When finished, press Enter on your keyboard, and a confirmation message will appear confirming that the autokick feature is now enabled. Say you want to disable this feature. To do so, just type /config autokick once more and select Disable. If you have any problems, feel free to join our Discord support server.